guys ready for the most awesome chicken gyro? It's 130 grams of chicken breast, lemon squeeze, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon of coriander, black pepper, garlic, Greek yogurt. Mix all this together. Put your mix right on top. Now just let this sit for maybe 15, 20 minutes. 400. I'm gonna do both sides. 5 grams garlic, salt, 1 teaspoon of dill, lemon, 60 grams of Greek yogurt, and a little cucumber. Now we're gonna mix this. So we got 60 grams of self-rising flour, 75 grams of Greek low-fat yogurt, tablespoon of parsley.